Bank employees under All Manipur Bank Employee Association took out the ceasework protest at MG venue near Imphal Urban Cooperative Bank Limited today. The protest was organized as a part of nationwide strike imposed by 10 central trade unions and National Convention of Workers and was carried out under the aegis of All India Bank Employees Association, All India Insurance Employees Association, All India LIC Employees Federation, All India Bank Officers Association, Bank Employees Federation of India and General Insurance Employees of All India Association. Speaking on the sidelines, General Secretary of All Manipur Bank Employees Association, Soibam Indrakumar, highlighted the demands of minimum wage for workers, laborers and employees. He also alleged that NDA government and centre has not fulfilled the rights of workers and employees in the country. He also expressed dissent over the introduction of 4 labour codes.
India trade union organization sinchana matam kaya dagi demand tawra demand mayam sindu adu kugi management har sarkar na tabi daba year aba nakung ma khode center khodugi mahi amoina khone pangthuk sabadu strike amani asigi khodong saba si strike tono bi khodong sa kamaina pigi habida ning tamba bharat after independence the government of India China they have formulated 29 different labor acts. Labor law kunmapan already ning tamaba Bharat sida enforced of the labor law kunmapan. Law kunmapan se law in a mutalaga. Inung no labor court had a sinmi sing shibu, labor sing shibu, regulate on into the Makoibu, Moim, Kram laws, and the Haiba man laws in the law in a mutalaga. Court Marikap, Channel Marikap, Channel Lanyan Lautore, 2019, Amusum 20. Ariba. Parliament su pass tawgraba dugum court marishi karimba naba hogragadi han leramba labor law punama bekil sector de lermiba regulations service condition punama se law in a forgo tawraga ino ba law ma chanarani haibgi alarming situation ma laani masit nudab yadi haibgi khungjung done bekhin si singchen jari